dyan sa section natin. Salamat sa pagpapaalala ng mga activities, projects, quizzes. Salamat dahil hindi ka napapagod, hindi ka nagsasawa na mag-remind palagi sa GC. And na-appreciate namin yun. Na-appreciate namin yung effort mo sa kabila ng madami kang ginagawa. And I pray din na matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. I pray na makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral and someday ay maging teacher ka. Yun lang, God bless you and your family. Happy birthday ulit!
Ayan! So, happy birthday to the MWS first year representative Isagani. So, I hope na i-continue mo lang yung passion mo on leadership. So, nakita ko naman yung pagiging president mo sa 1B2-1. So, never lose that fire, Isagani. So, who knows, diba? Someday, second year, third year, maging president ka na ng MWS or the Math Wizard Society. So, I truly believe sa potential mo, Isagani. So, but for now, you just need to embrace it, enhance it, so that maging ready ka in the future. So, happy birthday sa yung special day tomorrow. So, I hope maging masaya ka. So, enjoy your day. Siguro naman, tapos na yung midterm nyo. So, I hope naging success. Yan. So, ayun lang. Happy birthday to MWS First Year Representative. So, the entire MWS family, truly, greet you. So, loves and appreciates your passion na mag-serve sa MWS. So, ayun lang. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Gani! Happy 18th birthday and sana magpatuloy kang cheerful and healthy dahil bibisitahin mo pa kami at bibisitahin ka pa namin. Happy birthday! Sa susunod natin pagkikita, mabibigay ko na rin ang aking gift sa'yo. And sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw ng iyong birthday. Heart, heart.
Hi, Sagani. Happy birthday sa'yo, bading. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na adult ka na. Like, time so fast talaga. Wish ko lang sa'yo is sana ma-reach mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay and enjoy mo lang yung life mo and enjoy mo rin yung journey mo as a college student kasi I know hindi ganun kadali, nakaka-stress man, but surely malalagpasan mo rin yan. I've been there, done that. So yeah, makakapagtapos tayong lahat. And yeah, enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo, huwag kang magpapaka-stress, huwag mo muna isipin yung mga problema mo or gumugulo sa isip mo. If ever man na may gusto kang i-open up, nandito lang ako, free ako lagi, and nandiyan rin yung mga kapatid mo, mga ate mo, na handang makinig sa mga rants mo. And yeah, see you soon. And happy birthday ulit sa'yo. Enjoy your day. So, yeah, bye-bye.
Hi, Isagani! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa iyo. And sa akin din. Malapit na din birthday ko. And, yeah. Sorry pa. Sorry kasi bumubulong ako kasi tulog na mga tao dito. Gabi na kasi. Then, yeah. Ang wish ko sa'yo, syempre, good health. Uno, sa card. Syempre. Then, sa family mo, good health din. Then, makapagtapos tayo ng pag-aaral. Syempre, college. Hirap-hirap na ngayon, di ba? And sana magkita pa tayo ulit. Kasi tagal na natin din nagkita. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo nila Sam, nila Miel, di ba? Na Eddie, na-miss ko na kayo. Sana mangyari yun. Then, yeah. Happy birthday! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Tol. Enjoy your birthday. And God bless. Thank you.
Hi KJR, happy birthday sa'yo.
Hey Sagan, happy birthday.
Wish ko sa'yo matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo and good health. Wish you all the best. Good luck to your journey.
Happiest birthday, Gani! I wish you good health and a good life. I hope na okay ka lang dyan at lagi mo inaalagaan sa sarili mo. Always remember na nandito kami lagi para sa'yo and maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Okay? Keep fighting, Gani. Mahal na mahal ka namin. And thank you so much for everything. Sobrang bait mo, Gani. And always choose to be kind. I love you! Happy birthday!
Hi Ali! I think it's been 4 years since we met and it's been 3 years since we started hanging out. And those years for me has been very difficult for us. Problems over problems, battles that we both need to fight. And I must say, it's hard, really hard. We fight a lot, that's true. We even hurt each other so many times, but yet we still manage to go to each other and fight for what we have. You're one of the reasons why I always want to fight every day. You're one of the reasons why I always want to be better and be at my best all the time. And I will say that you showed me what love really is. It's not just about happiness. It's not just about the kilig itself. Love is so broad that it always needs understanding, patience, loyalty, trust, hope, and even faith. I know that this is not the right time for it to be what it needs to be, but I still believe and I still hope that we will go there soon. For now, let's just enjoy what we have right now and be grateful. Your memories will remain in my heart. You will always remain in my heart, Ali. And for me, if home is a person, then it will be you. Happy birthday, Ali. I will always be here for you no matter what happens.